Hello students, how are you? Today we will discuss about some important topics of statistical mechanics. As per syllabus, we know that the syllabus of the statistical mechanics is this, which is written in your book in the first page. As we explain all the syllabus in the class or through the video lectures, I provide all the syllabus to you. The explanation of every topic is explained in front of you. Now we have to study properly. As we all know, due to lockdown, we stay home for our security. So when we go to the college, after some days, exams will come. So nowadays, we have to study properly by ourselves and also with the help of video lectures. If any query asks, you can ask me. As all of we study all the syllabus once, and we can say that our brain is now full of content of our syllabus. But now we should have to brush it so that it will glow, that is, it will become sharp. And in the exam, we give our performance as like the best. We have to study like the best. Important topics of our syllabus are in the first unit, which contain about all the probabilities. So in the first unit, the important topics are all the definitions, probability with examples, like we study the microstate, macrostate and their corresponding probabilities, and all other throwing the dice, throwing the coins, putting the two objects in two boxes, two objects in three boxes, or three objects in two boxes, distinguishable particles in two boxes, indistinguishable particles in two boxes. All the probability we have to go through it. All are equally important. On the other hand, also statistical fluctuations, thermodynamical probabilities are also important, and all the difference given in this unit, like difference between thermodynamical probability and statistical probability, difference between microstate and macrostate, etc., also be important topics. I provided you the video lectures also for the first unit completely, also the PDF notes, as well as we discuss it in the class where I provide handwritten notes to you. Study well. Now we came on the second unit. In the second unit, the important topics are, we discuss only the important topics. You all know about the syllabus. The important topics are, what is phase space, what is the volume and size of the phase space, this is important. Also the differences are important, like the difference between classical and statistical mechanics, difference between indistinguishable and distinguishable particles, difference between three kinds of statistics, where In the second unit, we only discuss about their assumptions. Three kinds of statistics are Boltzmann statistics, Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, Bose-Einstein statistics, and Fermi-Dirac statistics. We should read only the assumptions of these three statistics in the second unit. Also, one article came in which we study about the anatropy. Anatropy concepts is equally important. Also, the Boltzmann and Planck's radiations law are important. The question maybe arises about the Planck's law as the application of Bose-Einstein statistics. So, Planck's radiation law is important given by the Einstein. Now we came on unit 3rd. Unit 3rd contain all about the Fermi-Dirac or Fermi gases, etc. So there the important topics are Fermi gas, Fermi energy, and numericals on Fermi gas and numericals on Fermi energy for the different conditions. Also, Fermi-Dirac distribution, Bose-Einstein distribution law. We can say that in the three statistics, three distribution laws are equally important. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, Fermi-Dirac distribution law, Bose-Einstein distribution law are important. Others are electron gas, zero-point energy of the metallic gas, and numericals on the basis of this. I discuss all in the video lectures also. And difference between photons and electron gas. Photon gas and electron gas. What is the difference? And the most hot topic is specific heat. I provided the video lecture on the specific heat and numericals on the basis of specific heat also. So you can watch that. If any query comes, you can ask me. As per syllabus, plan your days and study well. I provided you the video lectures, but your study is very important. Teacher efforts is only about 80%, from which the student gains only 40%, and the other 60% comes from your mind, from your understanding. What you think about the topics, what you put the images. As all of we know, in the physics, one problem came. We cannot remember the things, sir. We cannot remember the things, ma'am. What should we do? All the persons we study the physics may passes through these problems. Now we have to become different from them, and for this we have to study deeply, not so much deeply, but we have studied seriously. As we know, when we watch the movie, we all know about this, all the character names, all things, what happens, what not happen, and other things, what are the place where the hero heroines were. But when we study the topics, we forgot all things. Why? Because our mind set up an image about the topics, about what we can see, what we can hear, all things, what our body feel, our mind set up an image. Now it depends how much deeply the or dark the image set up in our mind. This will come when we give the time to our study. So these are the important topics. So stay safe and play with your mind with the physics.